The operating system, OS, plays a pivotal role in transforming our day-to-day interaction with computers and becoming a singular defining piece of technology, making computers user-friendly. The origin of the operating system traces back to the 1950s, with the evolution of mainframe computers, yielding a narrative intertwined with decades of research, improvements, and technological advancements. Mainframe computers, such as the UNIVAC and IBM's many machines, were dominant from the 1950s to the 1970s. They were cumbersome, occupying a large amount of space, and exceedingly expensive. The first computers didn't have an operating system. Instead, there was a single program that functioned without an interface. Users inserted punch cards or analogous input devices into computer systems to launch programs. This method, known as batch processing, was cumbersome and inefficient, since the computer remained idle between the completion of one job and loading the next. The first momentous stride toward modern operating systems took place in the early 1960s with the Atlas project at the University of Manchester in England, under the guidance of Tom Kilburn. The team built a multi-user system, better known as a multi-programming system, able to run multiple programs simultaneously. Here, the Atlas Supervisor was born, regarded by many as one of the first recognizable operating systems. Next came IBM's OS 360, initially released in 1964, which was the first operating system to split into separate elements such as input, output, memory, and processing, crucial for ensuring maximum system efficiency. The existence of OS 360 resulted in a wave of innovation in the IT world, prompting OS to become an integral part of every computer machine. During the 1970s, Unix emerged as a groundbreaking operating system, introducing the elements of portability and software-friendly design, making it a favorite among developers. Developed at Bell Laboratories, Unix allowed users to work on multiple tasks simultaneously, a feature known as multitasking. Unix was also the first to introduce the shell's concept, which allowed users to type commands directly to the operating system. Fast forward to 1981, IBM released its first personal computer, the IBM PC, with an installed OS called MS-DOS, developed by Microsoft. MS-DOS was simple, text-based, and with no graphical interface. However, the birth of graphical user interfaces, GUIs, from Apple and Windows in the 1980s and 90s significantly revolutionized interaction between computers and users, leading to Windows OS dominance by the turn of the century. Operating systems have dramatically shaped our interaction with technology, postulating a plethora of benefits. They provide a platform for other software, regulate hardware, ensure security, and provide essential features like file storage. They have made computers user-friendly by masking complexities behind simple interactive interfaces. GUIs made computers accessible for non-technical users, spurring a digital revolution and boosting productivity. Notwithstanding the positives, there are certain drawbacks too. Complexity in operating systems has led to an increase in system vulnerabilities, becoming an enticing target for hackers. OS has acted as a double-edged sword, where its widespread use has made it a single point of failure. Both hardware and applications are heavily reliant on the operating system. Therefore, any failure or breach in the OS can result in significant damages. In conclusion, the evolution of the operating system stands as a testament to human ingenuity, dramatically transforming the way we interact with technology. From their humble beginnings in batch processing to the emergence of high-level interactive GUIs, operating systems have emerged as a cornerstone of modern digital society. While challenges remain regarding security and resilience, the importance of operating systems in the digital age can't be overstated.